Hi Dermot, just a quick video on the Civic Premium that has arrived. So unfortunately she is not cleaned up yet, and actually a lot of the functionality on the car, so normally there will be push button to get in and out, but for the minute she is not set up, so just my hand is on the key for the minute, so it's actually more traditional open setup for the minute. But once you collect the car it'll be working off keyless, so hand in there to open and there to lock. Anyway, if we did it the right way around now we'd be flying it. All the plastics and stuff are still on the inside just for transport. Over here, right, start. Okay, so grand. I'm just going to put it out forward. Okay, so engage handbrake. Just purely paranoid to make sure the handbrake is actually on. Okay, so the car looks really cool. Red and black I think goes really well together on Civics. It always did anyway, to be fair. So all the stuff on the front of the car, all your panel down here is going to be for your sensing equipment, which is keeping you within lane and watching road signs ahead, as well as up here for auto lights and wipers and the auto dip function on the light, so it'll dip when it meets traffic. And well, actually you have that on the CR-V anyway. So wheels are a nice polished 17-inch wheel.